I did and slipped, and my leg was under the cement bench, and the bench fell on my leg.
Take care, bacha. Take care, huh? So it is permitted, allowed to you that you can attend the online classes. Wait a minute. Wait, online students. You sit. Do the other questions. Let me explain to them. First question with the pencil and other questions with the pen only. Okay. So I am going to post a link in the classroom for your CET. Same way, the way you submit your work in the notebook, no, by doing in the notebook and attach your work. I'll give you extra 15 minutes after the class. Within the 15 minutes, as the
When
class
the
is over.
Hello, ma'am. You said the
the
first.
tight.
Ma'am, you said the first question with pencil means which one?
When I will send the link, then you will able to understand.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have to write the tight. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
we have to write the title.
कौन सा टाइटल लिखोगे आप?
That heading. Question number 1, fill in the
It
blank.
is compulsory to give the question number, but no need to write the question. Only the numbering of the question is compulsory, and numbering
ma'am,
should
I
be
have taken
correct.
new books. I can write on first page only, no?
Link is posted. Yes, you start from the leave the first page and start from the next page. Link is posted in the classroom as well as in the chat box. Start doing.
We have to write questions.
Just now I told no need to write the questions. Mantra, I'll answer. No need to write the question, only the question numbering. If you are doing one number, write one and start doing. Number two, start doing. Numbering should be proper. If instead of doing that 3 in the sequence, you are doing 4, so you write that 4 number question. No need to copy the questions. Am I clear? Okay. And after, as soon as the class gets over, after 15-20 minutes, please attach your work. Click the photo and attach your work. Am I clear? Any doubt to any online student? First question, you need to do it with the pencil. And other questions, you can do it with the pen. Yes, Mantra, you can speak.
Ma'am, revision notebook. Ma'am, revision notebook.
No, in the maths notebook. Or if
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have the revision, you can give in the revision, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm giving the CT in the revision notebook. Is it okay?
Yes, it is okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. For boys, we
Do
can
other
use
questions first.
circle.
Don't waste time. Yeah, for the
Ma'am,
boys, you can use the picture circle. Leave it if you don't know first. Wait a minute, students.
hello, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, rose means standing, no? Means sleeping, no?
Sleeping.
Okay, ma'am.
No, I want to see the complete multiplication there in your paper. Yes, method. Everything you need to do in the paper only.
Ma'am, the first question with pencil, no?
Who is the yes, push pencil. If you don't know first question, leave. Do it later on. Don't waste your time on the first only. Go to the other questions. I want to present my screen and show you this and explain you the paper.
Ma'am, I am writing only answers of the short.
Only answers. Yes, I want only answers only. Is my screen visible to you all students? First is, am I audible to the online students? Okay. First question is arrange 15 boys in 3 different ways in rows and columns. Find the product 65 multiplied by 35. You need to multiply here only and show it to me the proper multiplication method. Story problem.
So we have to do multiple direct answer.
No story problem. You need to solve it properly the way we have learned. Meera plant 50 sunflowers in 10 rows. How many sunflowers are there in each row? So this is the story problem. You need to write the statement also.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am. In the
problem.
B1 also we have to write these statements, or we have to only do
B में
multiplication.
तो statement है ही नहीं ना बच्चा. How you will write the
Okay.
statement in the B1?
Ma'am, because you were saying multiplication and word
Multiplication
problem.
means you need to show me the proper multiplication method.
Okay, ma'am.
See,
In
Meera
that
plants 50.
we have
C1.
to
You
check
need to write the
method.
statement.
Ma'am means long multiplication method, no?
Yes. In the C1,
Ma'am.
you need to write the statement and solve. In the D1, you can direct also do because we have learned how to multiply the numbers with the 10, 100 and 1000. Yes, Tej Kumar, speak. Voice is breaking. Someone wants to speak, but the voice is breaking. Yes, Suchi, please speak.
Ma'am, in B1 we have to do check method.
Ma'am,
In the
ma'am,
which
you
one?
can see.
Arnab, please do. Tej Kumar,
Ma'am,
I don't want to see. It's your CT, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, you said we have to show the multiplication method.
No, but show in your notebook means you need to present it in your notebook. Don't show me right now. E, 2 multiplied by 6. Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, in B1 we have to write in check method.
B में तो check method कैसे आएगा बेटा? Check method we have learned in division only. B is the multiplication, not the division.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, please speak, Vihan.
I have a doubt in the first one.
Don't do. Leave it. If you have a doubt, I will explain you later on. Do the other questions. Do other questions, Vihan. Don't waste your time on the first one only. Story problem. Direct answer D1 direct. If you know direct because you have learned how to write the direct answer in the D1. Then in the E1 calculate 2 multiplied by 6. Whatever the answer is coming multiply by 3. F1 with the repeated addition method. 6 multiplied by 5 is means 6 times 5. And how you will show 6 times 5 by the addition method, that you need to represent here. G, the answer to a division problem. When the answer comes in the division is called what?
I am confused.
I don't know.
One.
I don't know. You need to write the answer. What happened?
Hello, ma'am. In B1 we have to write that this is multiple, this is multiplier.
No. In the D1, you don't need to write.
Ma'am means B1, B.
In B, you can write. You can write, or if you don't want to, it's okay.
Okay,
Marks
ma'am.
will not be cut. 2 multiplied by 6 is what? And then whatever the answer is coming, multiply by 3. The answer to a division problem is called what? What should be? Yes. What would be the divisor in this question? 27 divided by 7.
Ma'am, if we Will not do with zero method. It is okay.
It is okay. But try to do with that only. Then you have given a time to learn that zero method. आपने इतना टाइम दिया है उसको लर्न करने के लिए, तो हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए उसको करने में. Which is the division sum here? No need to do. If you want to satisfy yourself that whether it is correct or not, you can do. I have not given you to do with the check method. Solve by repeated subtraction method.
This is easy, and so I can.
Mentally also. If 13 multiplied by 7 is 91, then 91 divided by 7 is what? 8 lakh means 2 cats, 24 lakh means how many cats? Anu wants change for 100 rupees. अगर आप 50 के कितने notes दोगे तो 100 बनेंगे, 10 के कितने दोगे तो 100 you will get. How many 20 rupee notes to make 100 and how many 5 rupee notes make the 100? M, if the cost of 3 pens is 60, here the unitary method will apply in the M1. First of all, you should know the cost of 1 pen, means you need to divide, and then after getting the cost of 1 pen, you need to find the cost of 10 pens. So both operation will apply in the M1. First is the division and another is the multiplication.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
I am D1.
I am on D1.
I am on D1. The multiply. I know the answer, but I can erase this one. I have to multiply.
You can directly write the answer because it's a mental maths question.
Yes, I know, but I am checking.
If you want to check in your notebook. There is no enough space here.
Okay. Because I erased.
अगर आप check भी करो, because it will take time, बच्चा. That's the reason they are the multiplicate direct questions also. Story problem. 50 sunflowers in 10 rows. You need to find how many in the each row. It's a division sum. When many is given, you need to find for one.
I want to ask there is division sum.
Yes.
I want to
And write the statement also. What? Repeated addition you need to show. Repeated addition तो एक ही लाइन में आ जाएगा.
Ma'am, in this, 2 6 then we have to again do 3 6.
2 6 yeah, whatever is answer is coming. Then if I say 2 into 2 into 2, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So multiply this and get the answer, and then whatever the answer is coming, multiply with the 3.
Hello, ma'am. In the F1 we have to do repeated addition and also write the answer. No.
Yes. Yeah.
The E1 we have to do 6.
Why you have done multiplication? It is the each they want.
Ma'am.
How many in each? One row में कितने तो?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Division. Yes.
Ma'am, in E1, 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6, and after 6 multiplied by 3.
No. 2 multiplied by 6. Whatever the answer is coming, multiply by 3. If there is you want to give me 100 rupees, but I want to give you 100 rupees, but I have a 50 rupees notes. All are 50 rupees. So how many 50 rupee notes I will give you to make 100? How many 10 rupees note I will give you to make 100? Same way. How many 20 rupees note I will give you to make 100? And how many 5 rupee notes I will give you to make 100?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can write answer of F direct.
Yes. Direct answer, no, you need to show the repeated addition. I don't want 6 multiplied by 5 only. I want the repeated addition method.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, I am not able to understand the first question.
Statement and multiplication, division, everything you need to show. Yes, Vishnu?
Ma'am, I am not able to understand the arrange 15 balls in 3 different ways in rows and columns.
The other questions you have completed, Vishnu?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arna, when I am talking to one child, you need to wait, bacha. Yes, Vishnu. How many questions you have completed except one? Vishnu, how many questions you have completed except leaving one? If you don't talk, how I will understand, Vishnu?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please speak, Anna.
In F1, in worksheet, no, it is repeated addition.
Hmm.
Addition repeated.
Addition repeated? No, repeated addition. 6
Repeated.
multiplied by 5 means 6 times 5. So how you will show 6 times 5 in the repeated addition?
Ma'am, in the
Time
D1
will be
we
up.
can, ma'am, in the D1 we can do long method multiplication if we want.
You will,
D1.
it will consume your time.
Okay, ma'am.
If you know direct, because these are very small
Yes,
questions which
ma'am,
you
I
can do
know.
directly. Huh.
Ma'am, I know.
Do other questions. Do other questions. Children, as many as questions you can complete today, complete it. Then I will remove this link from the classroom as soon as the class gets over. And then we will continue tomorrow also in case if it is not able to complete. हाँ तो यहाँ लिख लो next.
Ma'am, in the E1 we have to do means 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8 in that. The answer we have to add them, no? First to answer
Which
and
one?
then.
No. 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3. So first you multiply 2 with the 6, whatever is your answer coming, multiply by 3. Suppose if I say 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. The final answer will be 8.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
This is the one of the property of multiplication which we have learned. Do it with the repeated subtraction method. Subtraction method. 48 minus 8, 40. Then 40 minus 8. Then whatever the product is coming, keep on subtracting. Whatever the quotient is coming.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
can
please.
write all question and after I can write answer.
No.
Okay.
See, again, common instruction for everyone I am going to give you. If you are able to complete 8 questions today or the 10 questions today, don't worry. There are total 15 questions. Don't worry. Don't send me also. I will give you time tomorrow also to complete it, okay? But I will do one thing. I will remove this link from the classroom. Clear? If you are able to complete 7 questions, 5 questions, 10 questions today, no problem. We will take the CT 2 days.
Ma'am, I've completed the 2 questions. So two yeah. Ma'am, I've 3 questions.
Only 3.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, do fast.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please understand me? The A1.
Whatever you have, leave it if you don't understand. Do other questions. Don't
Okay.
waste your time.
Okay, ma'am.
CET is for what we are taking. You need to learn the time management. Read the question. So you should know the cost of one pen first of all. Find out the cost of one pen. Huh. Huh. Cost of one pen is this, and you need to now find for the cost of 10 pens. आपको multiplication division दोनों you need to do in this question. Yes, Arth.
Ma'am, say it is for the 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days.
And so I can send today or tomorrow, so it is right. Tomorrow I can send it.
Yeah, tomorrow only I will again present in the class also the worksheet. So if you have done 5 questions today, rest of the questions you can do tomorrow also. But this meeting link I am going to remove it from the class.
Hello, ma'am. In the I1, we can do like line wise. First, we have right here 48 minus down 8, or we have to do in line only.
Anyway, which ways you have learned. जैसे भी आपने सीखा है वैसा है. Vishnu, there are many questions which are easy, so you can do it. That please read them and start doing.
Ma'am,
And those are easy. I am doing that only.
Okay.
ma'am, in F1, what we have to do? I am confused.
Read that question for me.
Ma'am, it's written if 13 multiplied by 7 is equal to 91, then 91 divided by 7 is equal to.
So now you just see the division sign and start doing division and find the answer.
Okay.
I have explained you in that way also that 13 multiplied by 7 is 91 and 91 divided by, because multiplication and division are the opposites. But if you don't know in this way, you can divide and find the answer. Full paper. Show it to me. कुछ भी किया है, just check. You check. Just see again.
I have done 2 or 3 questions. I am not able to. Was this? Say this. I am not able to.
You need to
the
find for
formula.
one. Formula कहाँ है इसमें बच्चा?
Concept of which formula division?
Do the division. यहाँ पे कर लो. यहाँ या
We have to find reminder or.
No remainder आएगा ही नहीं. Question T आता है answer in the division.
And this.
Read them again. Whatever you understood, you do that questions.
Ma'am, I am in
Read the question properly. 2 to 3 times read the question.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, wait a minute, Moksha. Means this is 100 rupee you want to give someone for the exchange. If you only have 50 rupee notes, how many 50 rupee notes you will give for the 100? How many 10 rupee you will? This was in the textbook also, if you have remember, but you're not paying attention in the class. So do that. Yes, Moksha.
Hello, ma'am. In the I1, I have also written down how many times it is.
Okay. No problem.
we have this is we have to do
On the basis of this,
means how many will be
how many 50 rupee notes you will give in the exchange of 100? Go.
I have a doubt that how much I will give 10 rupees to make 100.
So you don't know how many 10 rupee notes you will give to 100, or even if you don't know, divide it.
Okay.
we have to do a zero method.
Yes. If I have taught you in that way, you need to do in that way. Why you ask then? Yes, do for all. Okay, students. I'm going to remove the link from the classroom. You students also please remove it because we will do it tomorrow.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am on the last question.
After framing our own question, we have to solve it.
No.
Solve answer, na? Solve the question. Ma'am, solve the